Hello, boys and girls. Welcome once again to Storytime with GrannMaPat. Today, our story is by Eric Carle, and it's called 10 Little Rubber Ducks. And this is what our book looks like. And we're going to do some counting. Let's see. Whenever you count or when you read, you always start on the left and you go to the right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little rubber ducks, and that's the name of our book today. I think someone's going to have an adventure. Chuckity chuckity chuck goes the rubber duck machine. Out pop little yellow rubber ducks, one after the other, one after the other. The little rubber ducks are painted. Bills are red and eyes are blue. And here they are as they're popping out of the machine, and they've got red bills and blue eyes. Then they're packed, 10 to a box, and off they go. So here we are. Each of the boxes has 10 little rubber ducks in them, and they're being put on this truck, and the truck is being taken away. So let's find out where this truck is going. They're going to be loaded on a cargo ship. And when they get there, the captain says, "Hello." And here they are. The boxes are being loaded on the cargo ship, and the captain is taking possession of them. The captain and his cargo ship are taking the little rubber ducks across the wide sea to a faraway country. To a far away country. And here they are. The cargo ship's out on the sea, and the boxes with the rubber ducks are inside, and the sun is shining down on them. Suddenly, a storm churns up the water, and there are big waves, a strong wind that whistles across the sea. Whistles across the sea. A big wave lifts up one of the boxes and throws it into the water, and the box opens up, and the 10 little rubber ducks fall out. 10 rubber ducks overboard, shouts the captain. 10 rubber ducks overboard. And here we are. The rubber ducks are out in the water, and they're just bobbing and floating up and down. After some time, the storm calms down, and the seas become quiet, and the 10 little rubber ducks bob in the big sea, and as far as you can see, there's only water and sky, water and sky. And the 10 little rubber ducks, they begin to drift apart. Now here they are, they're in the water, and they're just drifting from one point to the other. So let's see what's going to happen to these little rubber ducks. The first little rubber duck drifts to the west, and a dolphin jumps over it. The second rubber duck drifts to the east, and a seal, barks at it. Now here's the seal barking, and there's the whale. Or dolphin, The third rubber duck drifts to the north, and a polar bear growls at it. And the fourth little rubber duck drifts to the south, and a flamingo stares at it. So we've got a beautiful polar bear and a beautiful red flamingo. And they're looking at these rubber ducks in the water. The fifth little rubber duck drifts to the left, and a pelican chatters at it, and the sixth little rubber duck drifts to the right, and a turtle glides past it. We've got a pelican and a big green turtle drifting past these rubber ducks in the water. The seventh little rubber duck drifts up, and an octopus blinks at it. And the eighth little rubber duck drifts down, and a seagull screeches at it. So here's the octopus and the seagull, and they're watching the little rubber ducks as they pass by. The ninth little rubber duck drifts this way, and a whale sings to it. Look at that whale, and he's singing to that little rubber duck. And the 10th little rubber duck drifts that way, bobbing and floating on the big waves in the sea. And the sun is setting, and it's beginning to get dark. And as far as one can see, there's only water and sky, water and sky. And the little duck looks like he's out in the sea all by himself. And the sun is going down. It's getting dark. The next morning, the 10th little rubber duck, he meets a mother duck and her ducklings. "Quack," said the mother duck. "Quack, quack, quack," said her ducklings. And there's the little rubber duck, and he sees the mother with her ducklings. Let's count and see how many ducklings the mother has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has 9 little ducklings, and the little rubber duck makes duck number 10. And at the end of the day, the sun sets again, and it's getting dark, and the mother duck and her ducklings, they swim towards their nest. The little rubber duck, he floats along, right alongside them. And here he is. He's floating with the mama duck and her ducklings back to their nest. "Good night," said the moon. "Quack," said the mother duck. "Quack, quack, quack," said the ducklings. "Squeak," said the little rubber duck. And that's the end of our story, boys and girls. The little rubber duck found a home with the mother and her ducklings. Thank you, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed our story. 10 Little Rubber Ducks. See you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.